Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make my account private on Threads app. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're going to need to open up the Threads application on your Android and iOS, and there are basically two ways that you can make your account private. So first of all, you're going to need to tap on your profile at the bottom right here, and this will open up your Threads profile, and you need to tap on this edit profile option, and below you can see that we have this option to make this account private. So just tap on it, and now this is a private account. Okay, and the next thing that you can do, the next method that you can do, you can basically tap on the two lines at the top right, go to this account option, go to this privacy option, and here at the top you can see that we have this private account. So right now we have make our account private. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.